Stan here. I just wanted to talk about brand promise today. And I'm going to start with this. Tradire e fare sta in mezzo il mare, which means, in Italian, between saying it and doing it, there's like an ocean or there's a sea. I think that right now we hear brands talk about themselves and they talk about their brand promise. But what happens when your personal experience doesn't really corroborate the fact that they make these kind of grand promises? What if your experiences don't align with that brand's intentions? Basically, that's kind of why a brand promise has to be, it can't be hyperbolic. It's got to be kind of grand, but it's got to be proven with reasons to believe, with proof in the experience. And it's a nice North Star for the brand, but when you, as a consumer, aren't feeling it, I think it's really a very, it's a tenuous and apprehensive place to be for the brand. I don't know. Tradire e fare sta in mezzo al mare.